That is right, Ted. For the severe weather threat today, it is going to be a day that you all need to stay weather aware across the south and the southeast. As you can see, a bullseye, a high risk for the severe threat. So that is a category 5 out of 5 on the spectrum. So you can see on the outskirts of that, it's a lesser of a threat, but some of us here across the upstate and the mountains under a marginal and slight risk. So at least it's just a low end severe threat as the storms continue to progress off towards the east. But since we still have that severe weather potential for these storms to go strong to severe, you need to stay weather aware. It's going to be arriving tonight. We'll walk you through it in just a little bit. But Fox Radar in 3D showing us those rain showers currently moving across the mountains as well as northeast Georgia. For the upstate, hit and miss rain showers for right now. You can see that this line already producing some of those stronger and severe storms across Mississippi and Alabama. But for us here right now, it's just going to be a little bit of rain until that cold front can arrive tonight. And it's going to be providing that lift for some of that instability in the atmosphere. So let's walk you through hour by hour so you're prepared. As we go through this afternoon and evening, it's just going to be scattered rain showers. I'm thinking by 8 o'clock, you are going to have to really have your eyes on the radar. Stay with us here on air and online. Just have a way to get alerts like downloading our Fox Carolina News app, because this line is going to start to move through. You can see oranges and reds popping up at 9 p.m. It will continue to produce quite a bit of rain across the region as it streams through our area, pulling up towards the north and east. This is a look at overnight, Friday morning, about 3 a.m. Still having the chance of some stronger storms, but by 4 a.m. most of it should be out of here. And Friday late morning, early afternoon is actually looking pretty good. We'll have a decent amount of sunshine. But how much rain is in the forecast? Quite a bit, as you can see, especially across northwestern sections of our viewing area, about 2 to 3 inches possible. And that's why a flash flood watch has been placed across those areas starting at 2 p.m. extending through your Friday morning. So again, don't ever drive through flooded area roads. Make sure to go nice and slow out on the roads today because there's going to be a lot of ponding. Temperatures are in the 70s for the upstate, 60s for the mountains. Then we'll be back into the 70s region-wide for Friday and the start of the weekend, with another chance of some rain and wet weather for especially Sunday. And we'll have to also monitor a few storms that day as well. I'll send it back to you.